In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your mouse cursor color and size on Windows 10. Customizing your mouse cursor is a simple way to make your computer easier to use. Whether you want a different pointer style or need a larger cursor for better visibility, Windows 10 includes built-in settings that let you make these changes in just a few minutes. To get started, tap the Windows key on your keyboard and type Mouse Settings. Then click on the mouse pointer size option that comes up under System Settings. Once you're inside the mouse settings section, you'll find a slider that lets you increase the size of your mouse pointer. Simply drag the slider to the right to make the cursor larger, or move it to the left if you prefer a smaller size. The preview updates immediately, so you can see the change as you adjust it. You'll also notice several color options for the cursor. You can keep the default white pointer, switch to a black pointer for better contrast, choose an inverted cursor that automatically changes color depending on the background, or select a custom color to make the pointer stand out even more. Once you've chosen your preferred size and color, there's nothing else you need to save. Windows applies these changes automatically, and your new cursor settings will remain in effect until you decide to change them again. If you're still having trouble locating your cursor, consider choosing a larger size and a bright custom color. This can make the pointer much easier to spot, especially when using high-resolution monitors or multiple displays. And that's how to change your mouse cursor color and size on Windows 10. With just a few adjustments in the Windows settings, you can personalize your cursor and make it much easier to see while working or browsing.